Hi, this is for St. Joseph's Religious Education 6th grade Tuesday class, Lockport, Illinois, for the date of September 4th, 2012. This is the first week of class. The children received their workbooks. They need to bring their workbooks, their Bible, something to write on, and something to write with every week. Also their folders, which they will be receiving this week. I gave them this YouTube channel so that they know what we went over in class, should they miss class or should they forget. There should be no reason that if a child misses class that next week they come unprepared for class. I don't want anybody saying that they didn't know. All they had to do was go check this video channel. Also, we only have 29 classes. We have to use classes for a class for practice math, a class for the actual mass, a class for doing the Christmas stockings for the homeless shelter. We do a class for reconciliation. We do a class for there was something else I can't remember right now. But so we have 29 classes minus all those, and we have 20 chapters to cover, and we still have to give tests and quizzes. So there's not a lot of time. So if somebody misses a class, they need to become prepared for the next class, because it's like missing 2 classes if they come unprepared. So that's the purpose of this channel. So this week we went over the pre-chapter 1 chapter, which was called The Great Bible Expedition. It's about the history of the Bible, the parts of the Bible. This year we're concentrating on the Old Testament. It's a little dry. I'll try to make it as exciting as possible. If the children have any ideas, or the parents, any ideas on how to make it more exciting, I'm open to it, as long as it's appropriate. I do have a Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game, and a Jeopardy game that I use sometimes to try to make it more exciting. I also show videos from my laptop. We have projectors in the classrooms now to show them on a big screen. I also sometimes students will come up to me, and this has been useful in the past, and say, me and my friend would like to teach one of the chapter. Well, it would have to be a chapter at least 2 weeks ahead of time, so I could tell them what chapter it was, so that they could get a lesson plan together, tell me what the following week they could show me what they have prepared, and we can make any changes to it that need to be. And then 2 weeks from when they ask me, they could teach the chapter as a group or a couple. And I will sit in the class like one of the students, and I will ask all the pertinent questions that might be overlooked in the lesson. But for next week, the kids have to look up these readings: Luke chapter 2 verses 1 through 7, Exodus chapter 20 verses 1 through 17, and Genesis chapter 1 verses 1 through 31. I just need to know that they can find things in the Bible by book, chapter, and verse. They're all stories that they should be familiar with, so once they look them up, if they could write a sentence or two about what the story's about, then I'll know that they can find things in the Bible. Otherwise, that's about it for this week. Hope to see you on Tuesday. God bless you. Thank you.